All right, first move is a lateral lunge row with a balancing dumbbell curl to shoulder press. Lots of different movements in this one, but we are doing a full body movement here. It takes a lot of balance and control, and you might fall over, which is totally okay, but we are focusing on our legs, our back, our biceps, and our shoulders. Second move is a sumo squat with dumbbell curl. As you bring those hips down, squeeze the glutes, and then bring those dumbbells up to your shoulders, flexing the biceps. Third move is a single leg bridge hold. As you bring that dumbbell to your shin, meeting right in the middle, you're gonna really feel this in the booty, in the hamstrings, and same with your lats and your core. And last move is a 1-minute cardio spike. You're gonna give me 10 high knees with 5 jumping squats. Make sure those knees are above the hip level to really target those lower abs, and you're gonna feel that burn in those legs.